Okay, so when I get out of the house, though, I'll be carrying the buck length for testing for all the usual carry items like clip, blade play from flipping it open and close, and clip is if it gets loose or the blade gets loose, etc. But any cutting, I'll be using the wedge because I want to save this edge for the cut test. I do like that tread pattern, and I do like that this is not a all metal, or frame lock I should say. What is this? Is this glass filled nylon GFN, but it feels really good. Feels better than the SOG GFN on the which one did I check? Was it the Flash? No, it wasn't the Flash. I'd have to look it up. Anyway, deep carry, right side only, tip down. Medium jimping on the handle, and just a little bit on the blade. Lanyard hole. Good lock up on the liner lock. And centered. HCR13 MOV steel. So this qualifies for my EDC testing. Yeah, feels pretty good. I like it. So, ooh, it's got some nice liner lock. The jimping is not aggressive. It's like medium. Doesn't have a sharp edge, and I like that it doesn't protrude so far out. Yeah, I like that. I like it when they do that with the liner locks. So I'm sure this provides a lot of traction too. So there you go, the Kershaw Labyrinth.